Hey daisies, welcome back to my channel. So today I am decorating my formal living room for fall. So the colors that I'm using this time around, I've added wine to my mauve and my blush, and I absolutely love this color. And I will share the other color with you guys in a later video, but this is the one that my heart is feeling right now. So to start off the video, I wanted to update my space. So I updated my mirror area by adding these tri-mirrors that I found at Home Goods. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It's such a dramatic wall. These wine pillows are so beautiful. I absolutely love the color in my space this year.
Why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you liking? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel better.
So to add another upgrade to my living room, I did finally update my light fixture. I really wanted something modern and simple. I didn't want something that just was a lot, considering that it is a small space. And I think that this one is perfect. I love the gold. I love the crystals, which looks like crystal drops just going around it. Absolutely beautiful. So I shared everything that I'm using to decorate this room in a previous video, which is in my fall home decor haul, which is also linked below in the description box if you want to refer back to anything that I've purchased.
3 days, stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems.
I found these gorgeous little wine pumpkins at Hobby Lobby, and when I saw them, I knew exactly how I wanted to style them on my coffee table. I thought they were perfect to go with the colors that I was using. So pretty. I'm temporarily moving my ivory ottomans in this space. I really only bought them in here because I wanted to create another vignette with this tray that I found at Burlington. This was not in my haul video. And then I wanted to add some pumpkins and some flowers to it. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I love these colors together. I'm in love with my new updates to this space. I am going to be adding some drapes to this window. I have some coming in just to give it the finished look. But right now I'm very happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this Decorate With Me video, and I hope you love my space as well. So I will see you guys in my next videos. I have so many more decorating videos to do for fall. My entryway, my kitchen, my family room, other videos. So stay tuned for those, guys. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. And if you are an oldie but goodie, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. And I will definitely see you all in the next video. Bye, daisies.
He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. whisper. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated an ice. Said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Separate again. Sunlight that always stays in and by the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. Living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. Yeah. Shut up, I get